My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove fake human verification alerts which come from the site Trusted-search.xyz. Trusted-search.xyz is a junk and deceptive site. It now tries to mislead people and to make them click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they are humans and not robots. To click on allow is dangerous. This would hijack your browser with multiple advertisements that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. So, if you have clicked on allow, it was a mistake. If you don't fix the issue, you will keep facing the great portion of intrusive advertisements through your browser. And these ads are not decent. They may redirect you to many shady and dangerous pages. To fix the issue, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Now, in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious ones if you find them on the list. So get rid of all these junk sites. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.